Take one light pink pipe cleaner and bend it at the 5.5 centimeters mark. Leave about 0.5 centimeters on the short end. Wrap the long end around twice. Fold the top section downward. Then pull it through the center. Adjust the petal shape. Make 3 small petals total. Take 2 pipe cleaners and fold them in half. Then twist them together. Turn it over and twist 2 of the wires together at the 5 centimeters mark. Wrap the 2 long ends upward, then fold them down and twist to secure. Curve both sides slightly outward. Insert them through the center. Curve the remaining 2 wires and fold them down as well. Use the longer wire to wrap and secure. Keep one tail and trim the others. Adjust the petal shape. Make 3 large petals total. Tie 3 white flower petals together with elastic thread. Then secure the other 3 flowers one by one on the outside. Take a flower stem and attach the white petals to it. Wrap the entire stem with light green floral tape.